Hello, my name is Mathias Pilet and I am 19 years old. I live in Hyères. Actually, I did 2 years at the Institute of Technology of Chartres in the Industrial Engineering and Maintenance. My professional experiences. I am currently a technician trainee at Novo Nordisk for 2 years. I am a developer owner in a video games development studio. His name is Raven Studio. It's been 5 years already. I'm also the creator of the clothing brand called Millionaire. My skills. I am familiar with Microsoft tools such as Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. I know how to use drawing software like Photoshop and CorelDRAW. I know how to use a 3D software like Blender, SketchUp, and and SolidWorks. This year, I also learned how to code apps with Excel. My hobbies. I like to play a music a lot. I play a drum. At the moment, I am part of 3 different groups, and last year I was in the junior orchestra of Erelwer. I've been acting since I was a little kid, and I really like sailing when I go to the sea. You can contact me with my email at matthias.pilet@etu.orleans.fr, or you can contact me with my phone number at 0634411856. Thank you to listen me.